Today, we will be making Italian bean soup. This recipe is brought to you by the Virginia Family Nutrition Program. To begin, prepare your ingredients. Be sure to drain your canned pinto beans, great northern beans, green beans, kidney beans, and rinse with cold water to reduce added sodium. Heat a soup pot to medium heat and add your ingredients. Stir to combine, cover your pot and simmer for 30 minutes. If using an Instant Pot or pressure cooker, add all of your ingredients to your pot and cook on high pressure for 12 minutes, or select the broth or soup option if available. Serve in a bowl. This recipe pairs well served alongside whole wheat bread or crackers.